Hello, tech aficionados. Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for all things tech and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of memory modules with the G.SKILL 32GB desktop memory from their Ripjaws V series. If you're into gaming, video editing, or simply want to supercharge your PC, you won't want to miss this. Let's get started. Ladies and gentlemen, say hello to the Ripjaws V series by G.SKILL. Designed with precision and power in mind, this 32GB desktop memory kit is a game-changer for your PC. Whether you're rocking an AMD Ryzen X 570 or an Intel Z390, this memory has your back. Now, let's dive into the tech specs. This kit includes two 16GB modules, packing a punch with DDR4 3200 performance. It operates at a CAS latency of CL16 and runs at a voltage of 1.35 volts. It's perfect for high-performance tasks and gaming marathons. Compatibility matters, and G.SKILL knows it. This memory is optimized for dual-channel setups, ensuring your system runs smoothly and efficiently. But remember, it's not just about the memory, it's also about your motherboard and CPU. Check out their QVL list for validated motherboards. Want to unleash the full power of this memory kit? Look no further than XMP 2.0 support. With a simple BIOS setting, you can tap into overclocked performance effortlessly. Just remember, the results might vary depending on your motherboard and CPU capabilities. Beyond the tech wizardry, Ripjaws V also scores high in the aesthetics department. Sleek and stylish, these modules will elevate your PC's looks while boosting its performance. It's the perfect choice for anyone looking to build a new system or upgrade their memory. Quality matters, and G.SKILL takes it seriously. The Ripjaws V series undergoes rigorous production processes to ensure you're getting top-notch reliability and performance. When you invest in this memory, you're investing in quality. In conclusion, the G.SKILL 32GB desktop memory from the Ripjaws V series is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking top-tier performance for their PC. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or simply want a snappier system, this memory kit has got you covered. If you're interested in upgrading your PC with the Ripjaws V series memory, check out the links in the video description. And if you've got questions or experiences to share about this memory kit, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and guides. Until next time, stay tech savvy. Thanks for tuning in today. We'll catch you in the next episode of Product Critique. Stay tuned, stay informed, and stay ahead in the world of tech.